go. We are here at Burnham Park now. It's 2:30 in the afternoon. And maraming tao ngayon here. Relaxing, boating. There. And Talia is here with me. We will get Isley there in Children's Park. So a lot of people here in Burnham now. November 2. Ano yan? Ube?
Ice cream.
Ube? What do you want? Ube or strawberry?
Strawberry. Ay. Ube. Ube.
Ube man, may isa.
Kaya ba? Ube. Strawberry.
So what? Yummy? Tali's eating ube. What's that? Scrambled ube? So what's the taste? Huh? Yummy? Yummy scrambled.
Wait lang, hindi marshmallow ah.
Masarap nga. Yeah, you too. Okay, igayo sa Talia. Thank you. Ashley, bawal ako dyan. Yan no dogs allowed.
Tao ka pa!
Ah, tao? Sure? Okay.
Oh my God!
Talia, tumabi ka, baka maano ka oh. Higher. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, let's go. What do you want to eat? Huh? What do you want to eat? Jollibee. Let's go to the priority lane. Okay, spaghetti.
Spaghetti, fries, Coke.
Yes. Joel! Thank you, birds. Thank you. Here, here. Bibili raw sila ng slime. Ganda naman ito. Ito isa. Dere, look here.
Guys, tignan yung mga sasakyan, oh. Oh. Oh, doon pa, oh.
Session road ka
Diba? Session Road yan, guys. Tapos mga tao, oh, yun, oh. Mga tao, grabe. Ang daming tao. Yan, oh, yan. Yun lang. Look down.
Okay, the pork eating now, spaghetti, and what's that? Coke float and fries. We are here at Jollibee Session Road. Dami sasakyan here. And the financier is here. Mamaya po, iinom ng beer. Ayos ba? Lagi, okay ba? In 2 minutes time, ubos yung spaghetti ni Talia. Ayos ba, Talia? Where's your Coke float? Okay, there's the Coke float. And si Ice Lee, apa? Bilis ah.
Kaya ko sad kanina kasi I'm nahihilo na sa gutom.
Di mo kagad sinabing gutom ka eh. Oh, come on, finish it now. The two are drinking their Coke float yet here. Malcolm Square. There's Maharlika. And going to Session Road.
Alam nyo ba, si Papa gusto niya umuwi kasi gusto niya uminom ng beer.
Tama ba?
Yeah.
And I have a problem. Talia, what's my problem?
Smoke.
Louder.
Smoke!
Oh, yan. Kaya uwi na kami. Dahil I wanna drink beer and smoke.
I like smoke. I like smoke.